So guys, you want to head over to Discord, and then you want to click on settings, and then you want to head over to the voice and video tab. So for the first step, you want to make sure the input device is on the correct microphone. And then you want to make sure the output device has also been correctly selected. And you can test your microphone right here. Now under input mode, if you have a lot of background noise that you don't want other people to hear, then you can select push to talk. And then you can select your keybind right here. Then you want to scroll down. And then you want to make sure that OpenH264 is ticked, hardware acceleration is ticked, and the AVI video codec is ticked as well. You can also tick echo cancellation. And then for the noise suppression, I use Crisp. But you can fiddle around with these settings and see which one's the best for you. Then you want to scroll down again. And if you have a bad network connection and your voice is lagging whilst you're talking to someone, you can turn this on. But if you're using a good network connection, you should disable this option. And you want to make the audio subsystem as standard. But if people have trouble hearing you, then you can change this to legacy. And click on OK, which will restart Discord. Now for the second step, you want to head over to search and type in sound settings. Click on it. Now once you're on this, you want to scroll down, and then where it says input, you want to click on your microphone. And then you want to change the format to the highest quality. For you, it's probably going to be DVD quality. And then you can fiddle around with your input volume for your microphone. Then you want to head it back over to sound, and then you want to scroll down, and then click on more sound settings. Now once this opens up, you want to head over to the recording tab, and then you want to find your microphone. You want to double click on it, and then click on advanced, and then do the same thing here. Set this to the highest quality. Then you want to head over to the general tab, and then click on properties, and then you want to click on the driver tab, and then you want to make sure that your driver has been fully updated to the latest version. Now for the next step, you want to head over to search and type in check for updates. Click on it. Once you're on this, you want to click on check for updates and do all the updates that your computer may have. Now once you complete all the steps in the video, you want to restart your computer, and then the problem should be fixed.